सनशायनाची बेंगलुरू हॉर्स रायडिंग अकादमी आसा. थंयसर दिता तशीच सेवा गोंयांतूय दितले.
Started it basically as of now it's a schooling unit for horse riding, basic horse riding. And when it comes to certified, we have couple of them. We have Kush as a master trainer here, who has been certified from Zippy Horse Riding Academy, and also we have one more instructor and another assistant instructor to take care. So they'll be taking classes usually, and yeah, I think
It's only for this school or?
No, this is for the school and also open for all.
Okay.
Yeah. And the starting age we start from 6 years.
6 years.
Yeah. And there is no upper age limit. We have the eldest rider about 74 years. So she rides. She also owns a horse. So from 6 to 60 you can say. It's been about 2.5 years that we started in Bangalore, and we have about 12 to 14 horses. So we have different units there. We have one unit which is entirely dedicated to schooling of horses and riders, and another unit is there for competitive riding, and then we have separate unit for therapy. So we also do something known as hippotherapy, right? Have you heard of hippotherapy before? Right, it's a therapy which is used on the autistic children for the better treatment of their thing, and this therapy uses horses. So the riders kids are just made to sit on the horse, made to spend time with the horses, and their condition gets better and better. This is not reversible, but still we can improve their condition. So the same thing which is also being followed in Goa.
गोंयाक हॉर्स रायडिंग अकादमीचो बरो लाभ जातलो.
For former chief ministers, Sri Pratap Singh Ji Raoji Rane, he created one cavalry of horse policemen. Unfortunately, that experiment did not last long, and we have recently installed one edifice of a sculpture of a horse at Altino. That is a replica of the Arabian horses that used to be brought in Panji port. So this is a very good venture that Deepak ji has taken up. It will definitely catch on with people in Goa. I wish Sunshine and this venture all the very best. You've got some beautiful, elegant horses.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सुभाष कुटवळकर.